install an SSL certificate on WordPress? Here, we will show you how to get an SSL certificate and install it properly on your WordPress website. You can install an SSL certificate on WordPress in two ways. A. Using a CDN provider. B. With a plugin. We will show each method so you can choose one according to your requirements. 1. Using a CDN provider. In this case, we will be using the Cloudflare network. So the first thing you need to do is log into Cloudflare and open your property dashboard. B. On the left-hand side, you can see every configuration option. C. To get a free SSL, open the SSL TLS option. D. On the right-hand side, you can see the SSL mode for the domain. Note that there are currently 4 modes: IOF 2, Flexible 2, Full IV, Full Strict. Alternatively, choose the Full or Full Strict mode if you are running an online store. Let's now discuss the remaining points. D. First, go to the Edge Certificate section. Then scroll down and you will see the Always Use HTTPS option. Enable it. From now on, all the HTTP traffic will be converted to HTTPS. 2. With a plugin. With a plugin, you can quickly get an SSL certificate. For this tutorial, we will use a plugin called Really Simple SSL. A. The first thing you need to do is install Really Simple SSL on your website. B. After installation, activate the plugin. C. Once you have completed the activation, you can see the plugin's settings on the screen. The tool will help you generate an SSL certificate directly from the Let's Encrypt organization. If you have already got an SSL certificate, click Activate SSL button. This is how you can use a plugin to install SSL on a WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment and share.